Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So, Volvo XC90 2.4 D5R design with nav, Geartronic, automatic, four-wheel drive, 7-seat diesel, 2014, 90,000 miles, 8 services just been serviced, Caspian blue, sunroof, £12,995. R design, top of the range, sporty model. Looks great in Caspian blue. Got the big rotor, two-tone anthracite and diamond cut alloy wheels. Privacy glass, roof rails, rear park sensors. It's got the off black leather trim. Electric memory on the driver's seat. Heated seats. Satellite navigation. So, off black leather inside. There's the remote for the satellite navigation. Glass sunroof, nice option on these. R design embossed leather. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise. Satellite navigation. Bluetooth. Right, so down there we've got folding mirrors, power child locks, and rear air conditioning. That's quite rare. Nice spec with the sunroof and rear air conditioning. So really clean, in lovely condition throughout. Parcel shelves in there, and those are the rear 6th and 7th seats. Super clean, beautiful colour, good looking car this. 90,000 miles. Got the service history, just been serviced. 8 services we have with the vehicle. Not knocked about at all, lovely condition. Bodywork's excellent. The interior is super clean as well. Nice XC90 with a sunroof, don't get too many of those. Got folding mirrors, 90,237 miles, heated seats, leather's in lovely condition, memories for the driver on the electric seat. Caspian blue, great colour, four-wheel drive obviously, £12,995, lot of car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other 4x4s in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. Nearly 2,000 car videos on there you can thumb through. And you can watch this video over and over again on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. Head over there. Please subscribe, and if you do, you will be the first person to get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people to know about it. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.